Traveling Internet Tutor Claudia Janine Prieto Castillo. My name is Jesus Alfredo Malua Helpu, studying Engineering Industrial, um, Travel Inventory. It is very fun place. It has very large stands. You can enjoy nature awards included. It is located very close to the city Facatativá and you can enjoy it quiet with your family. You must use it that you lay an excellent experience. In you enjoy this wonderful place you can do it in 3 days and 2 nights. Day one walk around the place. Day two brags cravings. Day three exploring caves. During the trip there and taxi motorcycles are busy closed and you can't visit this beautiful place. Day one, when you arrive in Facatativá, you must choosing an hotel a tour whose main place is made. Day two, you shall have a word barefoot to hat and your energy to climb each large stroke. Day three, we exploring one of the large kids in the place. On the fourth night, you can enjoy a nice Room 8 Hotel Hilton. Uh, en Pierres de Tunja, you can enjoy typical food such as picara, ajiaco, and natural dishes. The cost of the tourist park 100 pesos. Uh, we will wait for you.